All right, guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and set up on my new portable air compressor. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. Let's check this out. So you got your user manual right here. All the accessories for it, including a bag. So the one that actually connects to it, the one that connects to a cigarette lighter, or a Type-C cable for it. All right, and here's the actual device itself. Check that out. Very cool. Let's go ahead and take this piece off. And now let's go ahead and actually turn it on. And there it is. Look at that size of that display. Just really, really clean, really, really clear. And then let's just kind of cycle through some of the things that it has. So one of the cool things that I've noticed is it does have a built-in power bank on here. So even if, like in case of an emergency, you had a flat tire and your phone's dying, you're able to charge your device right on here. It also has a flashlight. So let's go and actually try that out so you can see. Very cool, very handy to have, especially if you're somewhere stuck at night, you're able to see what you're working with on your tire or anything that you may need a flashlight for. It does have different settings on there. Very cool. And then if you push this button right here, as you can see, if you're trying to inflate like a basketball, bicycle, motorcycle, or an actual vehicle, or just like something custom, you're able to adjust all of that. So let's go ahead and actually hook this up. So all you gotta do is just put this piece right here, turn it like that. All right, very simple. And back here, as you can see, there's a little slot. We'll go ahead and open that up. And this is where you'll get the other side to it. As you can see, it has one for like football, basketball. This needle right here. It has this one. And then another one of these attachments, which is very nice and handy to have so that way you don't lose anything. You just keep it all right back here. All right, so let's go ahead and actually try this one right here. All right, just like that, but let's actually test it out. And I do have a football here, and as you can see, it needs a little bit of air, so we'll go ahead and put this on there. Turn this on. It's already set to a ball. Bam, just like that, ready to go. Check that out. As you can see, very simple to use. And like I said, this can work with your car tires, bicycle tires. It's just nice to have this. You can put it in this little bag and just keep it in your vehicle at all times in case of an emergency. Now let's go ahead and actually try out the power bank feature. All right, so I got my iPad here. So we'll go ahead and plug it into that USB. Just like that. And we'll plug it in. And there it is, charging right up. So as you can see, it's got a flashlight, it's got a power bank, it's able to, inflate a flat tire or anything like that, or if you're at a sporting event, you just need to inflate any kind of football, basketball, anything like that, you're able to do so. So if you guys are looking for a new portable air compressor, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below, highly recommend.